Welcome to Fakeaway day number 3. So we've done fish and chips yesterday. We did, what did we do on day 1?
Doner kebab.
Doner kebab. Today I was going to do pizza, but I'm putting that off to another day now because I need to use up my meat. So today we're doing fajitas. Fajitas, as most people call them. I like to call it fajitas. Don't pick on me, it's entirely up to me. So the thing about this is it's not so much a special creation of Deep Fried Dan. It's more what is putting in it. It's the heat. I'm going to make this as hot as possible because it's Mexican. We're doing Mexican, and Mexican like heat. So we have actually got a fajita kit. There you go. Flaming hot. 5 chili, scorching hot, it says on there. So we've got that. We're going to have mince. We're going to have onion. We're going to have cheese. You've forgotten an ingredients, assistant. I can't believe this.
What is it?
Mushrooms.
Oh, mushrooms.
I want mushrooms in it, please. Thank you very much. Mushrooms. Chili beans, because that's very Mexican, isn't it? Beans.
Hot ones, are they?
Jalapenos. Jalapenos. They're like Mexican, aren't they? Because they're like hot things. We've got some mixed chilies because they're hot and they're like mixed chilies in Mexico. And we're really going for it. Scotch bonnets. Some Scotch bonnets. So I'm going to make the hottest fajitas ever in the history of Mexican food. Come with me into the kitchen. Come on, Mazzy. So let's start by seeing what is in a flaming hot fajita kit. I've never had one of these. Never seen them. To be honest, I've never made a fajita. I have made loads of fajitas in the past, but I've made them from scratch, you see. I've never made them from a kit. So we're not going to need that. Do we need them, Mazzy?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to keep hold of them. We're going to use them in as ingredients. We've got some salsa hot sauce, so we're going to use that, Mazzy.
That's up to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And some hot fajita stuff. We're going to need it all, aren't we?
Yep.
Alright, so we just don't need the box. Box can go. It's starting to look more like fresh ingredients now, isn't it? The only thing I've cheated with today is I couldn't get Mexican beef. I don't think they have cows in Mexico. I couldn't find any at the supermarket. So I've gone for Irish. I hope you don't mind Mexico. We're going for some Irish beef. We'll just have half of this. Get that out. So there's half of a pack of mince. That's 250 grams to you. Don't know what that is in pounds and ounces, but that's what it is in grams. Alright? So I've put that in there. Looks like worms, look. That's how you can tell it's mince. Mince always looks like worms. Don't know why. Right, stick the heat on. Put some of that spray on again. Now the secret with mince, I've said this in every cooking video when I use mince, you need one of these. Sharp bit on end, yeah? And you've got to chop it up. And as it's heating up, you keep chopping it. Because the secret is, you do not want lumpy bits. Most people will put it into the pan as a block, go away, watch programmes, come back and they're stuck with loads of big blocks of meat. You don't want that. You want to keep chopping it up until it's all cooked. So I'm going to be here, how long does this take? 10 minutes?
About that.
About 10 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm going to be here 10 minutes until this is browned all over. This is what I have to live with, you see. Mazzy just said, I'll just putting some fat on it, yeah? Some spray light on it. Mazzy says, you're not going to need any of that because it'll produce its own fat. It's dead, stupid, it's dead. How can it produce fat? Check it out, browned already. That was grazing in a field in County Clare in Ireland at 7 o'clock this morning. And now it's in a motorhome with a suntan. Lovely. Right, the cows are fully suntanned, so I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit. So I've got other things to do now. Right, mushrooms. Not going to need many mushrooms, I'd say about that many. That many mushrooms. Just cut them into slightly smaller pieces. I was gonna do these separately, these and the onions. We're going to do them separately and then add them to it, but Mazzy says just throw it all in one pot. So that's what I'm going to do. That's what motoromerists do. One pot. You're thinking of washing up, aren't you?
I'm thinking, and you got scissors there, honey?
Yeah, I know. Can't find my fork. There you go, the mushrooms are done. Would you smell them for me, Mazzy, and tell them what it smells like?
Mushroom.
Mushrooms. Beautiful smell. I love the smell of mushrooms. Sling them in. They can go in with meat. Give that a stir. They'll cook when they're ready, yeah? Sorted. Right, onion. Shown you how to do this yesterday, haven't I? You just cut off both ends. Oh, hang on. Cut off both ends. Cut down middle.
Mind your fingers.
And then you pull that off. 10 seconds, that's all it takes to do an onion. So get your onion. All different shapes and sizes for fajitas. Fajitas, you don't want everything looking the same. Stick your onion in, yeah? Sorted, this is going really well. Now we need to add some heat. Let's bring the party to the pan. Come on! So now we're going to do some mixed chilies and some Scotch Bonnet chilies. Loads of chilies, Mexican chili type things. So, my assistant has kindly given me these gloves. God knows where you got these from or why you own them. But they're going to come in handy because I'm sick of burning myself every time I go to the toilet. I've done it twice this week in 2 days. So I'm going to stick them on and I'm going to cut the chilli. So these are just mixed chilies. All you have to do is take the stalks off. I'm sure you know how to cut a chilli, you don't need me to tell you. And then you just go like that and make them really small so that you can put them into your...
Oh my goodness.
So that you can put them into your mix, your fajita mix. So yeah, just give me a minute, I need to cut them down a bit more. Ow. So now for the main ingredient, Scotch Bonnets. Now, some people think these are ridiculously hot and you shouldn't put them in any kind of food. Personally, I think they're alright. Especially because they're only 70p, they're actually cheaper than the other peppers. So I'm going to cut them green stalky bits off because I don't like that on any food, I think it's disgusting. So exactly as I did with the chilies, the mixed chilies, I'm going to do the same with the Scotch chilies. Just cut them down into really small little bits.
Are you going to de-seed them?
De-seed them?
Yeah.
No, apparently you're meant to leave seeds in chilies because that's the nicest bit. Leaves a bit of a crunch in your mouth. That's what someone told me anyway. So I've gone for the different colours for 2 reasons. Firstly, because I thought it looked very nice. You know, you've got very Mexican colours there, haven't you? You've got yellow, red and green. And secondly, that's how they came in the packet at the supermarket. So I wasn't going to argue. You know, I'm happy. 3 colours, all in one pack, 70p, bargain. So just give me a minute, let me cut these round really small. So that's the Scotch Bonnet chilies cut up and the normal chilies cut up, all on a big plate ready to go in. We're going to add some jalapenos, stick them in as well, extra heat you see. We're going to turn the heat up. This is cooking perfectly. Whacking all them chilies. This is going to be beautiful.
Oh my god.
And that's not it, guys. That is not it. Oh no, we're going to have some chilli and garlic sauce. Stick some of that in there. We're going to put some tomato puree concentrate in. I just thought that would make it a bit moistish, you know, and a bit tomatoey. So we're going to put that in, and we've got to put us mix in as Red Hot mix, which came in the fajita packet. So we'll stick that in as well. On top of that, I like these, they're called kidney beans. Nothing to do with your kidneys, they're just beans with a strange name.
I thought they were chili beans. Are they the same
Oh,
thing?
sorry, the chili beans.
Yeah.
I think they are the same thing though. These are basically red kidney beans, but called chili beans because they've been put in some sauce which goes So we're going to stick them in as well. I don't know if we want all of the water though. Well, we're having all the water anyway. So that's it. You can't get hotter than... I can't make that any hotter, Mazzy. I can't make that hotter.
That's going to be hot, babe.
Yeah, that is going to be hot. So I'm going to mix all that in, give it 5 minutes, and then we're nearly ready to serve. I know my glamorous assistant is sat down at the moment, but you're going to have to stand up. Get yourself over here.
Yeah.
Come and have a look at the colours in that.
Oh, wow.
How beautiful does that look?
It smells spicy.
It smells spicy. Well, it's going to be. It's going to be the hottest ever Mexican. So that's just about ready. Now, normally I'd do these in the oven, but to save time, Mazzy says you can flash them on the hobs. So I'm going to flash them. Is that what you mean? Is that what you're talking about?
It's fine, you do it any way you want.
Yeah, but is that how you do it?
Oh, what's that smell?
It's tortilla wraps. That's ready. Look. I've even got the authentic marks on. Didn't have that when we started. How good am I? Professional, you see. Professional chef. So I've never done this before. I've never done tortilla wraps like this. But I'll tell you something. That looks beautiful. It smells beautiful. And I've done 2 of them there. It literally takes you like 3 seconds and then you just turn it over. 3 seconds and then you just turn it over. Honestly, anyone can do this. You don't need to put these in the oven. And they're nice and warm as well. They're really warm. So yeah, 3 seconds each time. This is one Mazzy tried earlier. honestly. Mine are perfect. They're ready to go. So let's get to the table and serve this baby up. This is going to be the hottest Mexican of all time. Are you ready?
Yep.
Right, this is ready, look. This is ready, so we're just going to put it straight on, Mazzy. Take a look at that. How cool is that? Now, I'm not right good at making wraps. It usually falls to bits, comes out, stuff like that. I'm just going to plonk that in. I'll be best with just using this, Mazzy. She's going to kill me because I says, no, I need a fork. She said, just use this. I says, I need a fork. And now it's extra washing up. So that's the beautiful, hottest Mexican in the world ever. We need to put some salsa hot on. Now, I'm not keen on this stuff, to be honest. I think it ruins it a bit. I don't know what it's going to look like. Look, to me it's like fruity. And I don't believe fruity should go with chili. But I'll put it on. I'll put it on because it says it's hot. And that's what this is all about. The hottest in the world, like ever. And some grated cheese. Stick some of that on top as well. Let that melt in. And then you wrap it up. How's that looking, Mazzy?
Yeah, it's looking lovely, Danny.
How do you get that to stick on there?
Cocktail stick?
Have we got any cocktail sticks?
Yeah.
Cool, get me some cocktail sticks.
I can't find one, honey.
It's alright, I'm sellotaping it. Can't wait
what?
all day for you.
What are you doing?
It's alright, it's holding it down. It just looks like one of them, you put rings, don't you, around serviettes, napkin things, don't you? It just looks like that. So that's one of them done. Just come back to me in a minute and I'm just going to repeat on the other one. And that's my second made. Look at this, it's looking beautiful. Sorted. Look at that, Mazzy, look at that. Wow. 2 amazing looking, what do they call them? Fajitas.
Yeah.
2 Mexican fajitas. Now I'll put them special for presentation. For garnish today, I'm going to use toilet roll. And that's simply because I know I'm going to need it afterwards anyway. So I might as well put it on the plate ready. So that's going to be my garnish. What do you think, Mazzy?
That's so posh looking. Well done.
Thank you very much. The hottest Mexican in the world.
You're going to now try it.
Yeah, I've got to try it now. Yeah. Lovely. Can't wait.
Oh my God.
So just before the taste test, we did fish and chips yesterday and I asked you to guess how much it cost. Fish and chips, it was £1 10 for what I made, which was 2 good, generous portions. And I'll tell you something, I had it for my supper, didn't I, Mazzy?
You did.
I had it all, it was beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So get that made. Right, let's tuck in. Let's try the hottest Mexican fajitas in the world. Right.
Are they hot?
They are probably the hottest fajitas in the world.
You can't even talk.
They are hot. I didn't expect them to be hot.
Do you want a drink of water?
Yeah.
Slow down. Are you alright?
I'm fine, yeah.
Oh my god.
It's got a right kick to it. Are you recording?
Yeah.
It's got a right kick to it as that. I challenge you men to try the same. That's a killer, man. That's a killer. That's a proper man's dish. That's Mexican. That is the hottest.
Big honey.
The hottest Mexican in the world. I challenge you to try it. See you tomorrow on Deep Fried Dan. Fake.
Fakeaway. See you tomorrow on Fakeaway with Deep Fried Dan. So guys, you've got to try and guess how much each of these cost. Dan's not very well, so I'm having to finish the video.
I'm alright.
Leave your guesses in the comments down below, guys. And don't try this at home. Thanks for watching. Please comment and hit the like button. That helps our channel grow.
If you like what you see, click here to subscribe. Check out this other great video.
And if you really want to show your support, join the club, become a Patreon for extra videos and perks.
The more support we get, the more content we can give. We'll see you tomorrow
On
Travel Trolls TV.